Hello classmates, this is Enzo Carvalho. I'm pretty sure all of you like to eat desserts, right? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make a French pastry, crepes. Where do crepes come from? Crepes are from the northwest region of France, the Brittany region. We usually like to eat them as desserts or a snack 40 days after Christmas. We like to combine them with apple cider. Now, let's go over and check out the ingredients. The first ingredient you will need are 3 eggs, 1 cup of flour, 2 cups of milk, then you will need 1 pinch of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and vegetal oil. And if you want, you can add my mom's secret ingredient, orange zests. Crack the 3 eggs into the bowl. Oops, careful with the shells. Add the salt and the sugar. Start mixing. Add about 1/3 of the flour. Add the second third to your bowl. Finally, add the last third of the flour into your bowl. This part is very hard to mix. Don't worry, you're still doing it right. This is the only way to fight the clumps. To make the batter looser, add half a cup of the milk to the batter. Then start mixing. You can already tell that the batter is easier to mix. See what I mean? When the batter is already smooth, you can add the rest of the milk. And finally, mix one last time. Now finally, you can add my mom's secret ingredient, the orange zest. And now you mix. The batter is ready. Let's start cooking. Set the stove to medium-high. Put the pan on the stove and start putting the vegetal oil on by dipping the napkin into the oil and spreading it on the pan like this. Be careful not to burn yourself. Raise it towards the middle of the pan and pour. Now you have to act quick. Twist and turn the pan so that the batter fills all of the pan. Take your spatula, slide it under the crepe towards the middle, and flip. It takes about 30 seconds on each side of the crepe to have it ready. The first way is the easy way. Now let me show you a harder way if you want to challenge yourself. And by the way, if you're a good tennis player, it helps to flip the crepes, but it's not required. Keep doing this over and over again until all the batter runs out. Now that the crepes are done, let's talk about fillings. Fresh fruits, caramel, peanut butter, whipped cream, anything you desire. You can even have ice cream. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this class. Now it's time for me to tell you, bon appétit.